You guys are so precious to me, Ate Rain, Ate Angel, thank you. Santos at Ate Angelica Panganiban. It's such an honor to be nominated alongside all of you. Maraming salamat, Andy's, for this. When I read the script, Sunshine, during the pandemic, I knew right away that it's going to be a big responsibility. Talking about abortion in this country is not going to be easy. But all of my fears and doubts faded away kasi alam kong marami akong kakampi at marami akong kasama sa pagkwento ng story nito. This award is for Direk Donetta Daune. Thank you so much for creating this really beautiful story, for inspiring so many Filipinas, young women, and for believing in me that I could be sunshine. Maraming salamat, Project 8. You guys are so precious to me, Ate Rain, Ate Angel, thank you. Thank you sa cast and crew, my baby girl, Anika ko. Thank you sa aming gymnastics coach. 1 year with you, Ms. Dana Savio, and my acting coach, Sir Jay Cruz. Maraming salamat. Wala ako dito kung wala kayong lahat. Sunshine is a girl who had so much promise, who had big dreams, who had such a bright future ahead of her. Pero nadapa, nagkamali. This feels so familiar to me. And I know that feeling almost losing everything. Matatanong mo sa sarili mo kung ititigil mo na lang ba, kung burado na ba yung sarili mo. Pero hindi. Sa storya ni Sunshine, pinili niya mabuhay ang mga pangarap niya. This award is for all of the sunshine in this world. Sa lahat ng mga kababaihan at sa karapatan nating piliin ang mga sarili nating katawan. Sa lahat ng mga nadapa, bangon lang. Kung maingay man, drown out the noise and remember who you are. Thank you so much.